Now to a story you will see only on CBS News Chicago. A Park Ridge woman is suing Massage Envy, alleging sexual assault.
Her attorney says the company isn't doing enough to protect clients. CBS News Chicago investigator Tara Molina has told you about efforts to close state loopholes and put more protections in place in this industry. She joins us now. Tara?
Joe and Erica, there are civil and criminal cases pending today, both scheduled in court this December. Lisa Plord told me she's speaking out on camera and through those suits in an effort to prevent what she says happened to her from happening to anyone else. Something I've told you a state lawmaker has been working on for years now following my past reporting. I want to warn you, some of what she is alleging may be disturbing.
You know, it started like any kind of normal massage.
Tough to talk about to this day.
I think I kind of froze.
Lisa Plord is a runner and tells me she would get massages as part of her recovery, but says that ended after what she claims was her experience at this Massage Envy location this past March.
It definitely was inappropriate touching.
And according to the lawsuit filed this month, a massage therapist placed his, quote, genitalia on each of her hands for 10 to 15 seconds.
I'm here also just to protect the people that I see around my community.
Why she says she's speaking out and why she chose to file this report with Park Ridge Police and a complaint with the business the following day. The therapist was charged with battery following the police investigation. But police didn't clarify why the therapist wasn't charged with sexual assault, what Plord's civil lawsuit alleges. Filed against the therapist, business manager, and Massage Envy.
This is a systemic issue. Were there those policies in place that needed to be followed? And two, if those policies were in place, were they properly enforced?
Attorney Irv Nevitt says they're still working to learn more about any past complaints against the therapist, who he says no longer works at the Park Ridge location. We asked Massage Envy if he's working at another location.
We will be continuing to push these efforts.
That's State Representative Tom Weber, who first pushed for stricter regulations here in Illinois back in 2023, when my series of reports exposed the state wasn't automatically barring massage license applicants with criminal histories. Weber has no firsthand knowledge of this case.
My goal is to protect women, girls, and individuals that go into these settings, and to make sure that when they go behind a closed door for acupuncture, for massage, whatever it happens to be, that they can feel comfortable knowing that there's been a thorough background check.
Weber introduced bills years ago that would have ensured the state's licensing office has all records of felony convictions and requires a worker, like a state licensed massage therapist, to undergo the same checks and reviews other healthcare workers would, like a certified nursing assistant. There are protections he's working to get into place again. It's still unclear how those efforts could apply here, without any information on any past complaints against this therapist, who does not have a criminal history. I reached Massage Envy's corporate office and the Park Ridge location. Still no response to my questions or the allegations made in that lawsuit. I also attempted to reach the therapist directly. If we hear back from any of them, of course, we will update the story. You can find up on our website right now. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Tara Molina, CBS News Chicago investigators.
Tara, thanks.
Developing